Weight loss treatments have become wildly popular. You know this. But which GLP-1 drug is truly delivering? A head-to-head clinical trial comparing two leading weight loss drugs found shocking results. Elizabeth Pran joins us now. Elizabeth, which one came out on top?
Yeah, I mean, the results are startling. And listen, knowledge is power. We love a good taste test, but we're all vastly different. So it's not one size fits all. But the tirzepatide really seemed to have better results. So for those at home, that's Zepbound. And this study, however, was funded by Eli Lilly, which is the maker, but they did pit tirzepatide, Zepbound, against Wegovy, which is semaglutide. So that's the rival, Novo Nordisk. Now remember, these work a little bit different. These are both GLP-1 drugs, but one mimics two hormones and one just mimics one. It was over a 72-week period to give you context. And you did have to have a certain BMI, but you did not have to have diabetes. That's important to note. So we're starting to look at people who use it for off-label purposes. So Zepbound, the folks in the study lost an average of 50 pounds, so 20% of their body weight. Wegovy consumers lost an average of 33 pounds, about 14% of their body weight. So you do the math, that's well over 50% more weight loss when people use Zepbound. But people also noticed reduced blood pressure, blood fat. They noticed blood sugar levels dropped, a smaller waistline, which of course people are thinking it's sunburn, that's great, but that's a big indicator for heart disease. And yes, we did see accelerated results, but health experts are saying, listen, both of these drugs can be used. They benefit people in different ways. So don't rule out one just because you look at the study and say there's more accelerated weight loss when you lose Zepbound. Markie?
And you just listed off some other, advantages or side effects, if you will. What other medical conditions are out there where these GLP-1 drugs could be effective?
Well, we're seeing it used for really a myriad of ailments. People are using it for arthritis because it's reducing inflammation. People are using it to treat liver disease. And we're also seeing it being used in some studies that are helping people with cognitive decline. Remember, people are saying Alzheimer's, maybe type 3 diabetes. So we're seeing it being used in this area. People are also using it if they're suffering from addiction. Again, this is not for everyone. It's still fairly expensive, especially if you don't have a script for it. But we are starting to see these GLP-1 drugs being used for really a myriad of health issues. Markie?
I think we all know somebody at this point where it's been a game changer for in one way or the other. Elizabeth, thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.